We just had a new delivery come in from Rainbow Screens. I'll leave a link in the description below. I've taken it out of this packaging just to have a quick look at it, but I haven't actually tried it on the vehicle yet. What it is an insulated windscreen cover, and it's for the outside of the vehicle. It's silver on the inside, and I've gone for a burgundy colour on the outside. On the top corners it has a little pocket that you put over the edge of the door, and where the wing mirror is, there's a Velcro connector to go around the wing mirror. It also has Velcro on the side, so you can fold the windscreen halfway down. Well, that fitted very nicely and very quickly. The windscreen wipers hold the bottom of the cover in place. The loop around the wing mirror holds that corner in place. And then if you wanted to get some light into the van, you could fold down the top half of the cover, which then allows light into the vehicle. If you wanted to fully get into the door, just take the top part off, open the door slightly, and you can just pull the cover straight off, and then you can open the door fully. Also, when it's parked up not being used, I can leave the cover on it, which will stop the inside of the van from heating up so much during the summer. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below, and I'll leave a link in the description below to rainbowscreens.co.uk. And this is the pocket that the door goes into on the inside, which secures it to your door. I hope this might be useful for someone. Thank you for watching and subscribing.